I want to see how far fear can increase predictability, so I've had to call in medical backup for this test. Our volunteer Matt is about to face something far scarier than a pretend mouse.
Matt, I'll explain the game. There are down there 20 polystyrene cups like this, upturned, yeah? They're numbered on the top, so you've got 1 to 5,
yeah,
and then 6 to 10, 11 to 15, and 16 to 20. You're going to go and stamp on 14 out of the 20, so you can leave 6 untouched, yeah? One of those cups has a knife underneath. In fact, here's a replica. That's what you're avoiding.
Yeah.
If it goes wrong,
yeah,
and you do get a knife through your foot, which we both want to avoid, then how much money would you demand to stick a knife through your foot?
Through my foot? At least, I don't know, 500,000.
£500,000?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
I'm writing out a cheque for £500,000 in case Matt fails my test and requires compensation.
Bit nervous now.
Mm-hmm. Hang on to that if you like, stick it in your pocket.
Earlier, I placed the knife under a cup whose number I calculated Matt would instinctively avoid. If I'm wrong, the paramedics get to do more than stand and watch, and Matt gets £500,000 compensation.
Might be a bit cold. Okay, you also need to clean your feet to just sterilise there. Also just need to give you a tetanus, all right, because obviously what's going to happen.
Predicting Matt's random choices is a starting point for predicting the random outcome of the lottery.
You're leaving 6 untouched. Can I just ask you one more time if you're happy to do this?
I'm happy to do it, yeah.
Okay. In your own time, then. There you go. That's number 1. That's 2.
In this game, as he stamps on the cups, Matt has a 70% chance of getting a knife through his foot.
7, you're halfway through. You've only got to do another 7. Ooh. Yep, that's fine.
You scared the life out of me then.
Nine. You got 4 more. Three left. Two more. You've only got to do 1 more. Sure?
No.
Well done.
Oh, my God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now, these 6 that are left, which is 1, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and 18, that's random, isn't it? Those were decisions that you were making as you were going on, in terms of you leaving those 6 there.
Yeah.
Those numbers are, I like to think of them as your lucky numbers. Don't ever forget them. Number 1, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 18. The reason why I'm drawing attention to those is because of what's written on the back of the cheque that I gave you when we were up there. You've got it, haven't you? You've got the cheque. Have you still got it on you?
Yeah, the cheque, yeah.
Yeah. If you undo the envelope. If you read out what's on the back, I want the camera to be able to see it over your shoulder.
On the back of the cheque?
Yeah.
You will leave 1, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 18.
1,
12,
12, 13, 14, 15.
And 18.
1, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 18. I'm going to take this back now because thank you very much. I'm just wondering whether you want to carry on because that's quite a lot of money. Well, look, it's not under 18. Look, you've only got 4 left to do now. Bet still stands.
I would carry on.
Go on then. Three left. You've got to stamp on 2 of the final 3, leaving 1 cup untouched. Last one.
At this point, Matt has a 50-50 chance of stabbing a knife through his foot.
Sure? Congratulations again. So, I have to admit to you, the only way that I could do this and know that you'd be safe, predict the 6 that you would not stamp on, was to get you into a state of fear. That was what that was all about. That made you fall into a certain predictable pattern. There was no knife under any of the cups. All right? The injection we gave you was not a tetanus, it was just a saline solution, which is perfectly safe. You're fine. You would never have got hurt. You wouldn't have got hurt, but Jenny would have got hurt. I'll show you Jenny. Look, number 13 you didn't touch. And there is Jenny.
No, I was nervous, obviously, because I'm sitting there thinking there's a chance I'm going to get a knife through my foot. And my adrenaline was going a bit. But I'm shocked that the numbers, the 6 that were left, were the numbers written on the back of the cheque. That's pretty